Welcome everybody, we're the Canadian couple.
We are the Canadian couple.
Today we have a few things for you. Let's see if the Chinese girl has learned how to use a can opener a little bit later on. So today we are going to make the supper portion of our Mountain House review. And we're going to be making vegetable stew with beef, which was picked by Cole, our picky one. So let's see if he likes this one. The best thing that goes with stew is fresh bread.
Yes.
So we're gonna make our fresh bread. We're gonna grind some flour and we're gonna make 100% whole wheat bread, and we're gonna see how that turns out as well.
Yes.
Yes. So I set the grinder for a little bit finer than bread. If you actually look, it has 3 settings. It has pastry, bread, and coarse. That's where I like to set it. It makes it nice and fluffy.
What is this?
The recipe states 3 cups of warm water, about 110 degrees Fahrenheit, so about 42 or 43 degrees centigrade. My big measuring cups are in the dishwasher right now. That's why I'm using a single cup. Don't judge me.
Perfect.
Perfect. I have a cup of honey. We're using honey that we got from a Hutterite colony when we went to go buy seed potatoes this summer.
Okay, then we add 1 tablespoon yeast. Okay.
Stir it just a little bit, and then we're
little
gonna let
bit.
it proof. 1 cup.
Okay, after stirring them, let it sit for about 5 minutes.
After about 5 minutes, we can see that the yeast is proofed and it's starting to foam up, so it's ready to start adding the rest of the ingredients. 1/3 cup of oil. We are using olive oil.
Yeah, which I like it. And
1 tablespoon of salt.
it's the first time we try this recipe, so we're not sure if it's good or not.
This recipe is for 2 loaves, and hopefully we'll see, because it's hard to get nice fluffy whole wheat bread. 7.5, but we'll start off with 7 and then we'll start mixing it.
Yeah.
Last one.
Okay, last one.
So this is 7 cups. Nice and slow to start.
Another
About
half cup.
Yes, about a half cup.
Yeah. To make it smooth.
Yes. Which is about 4 of these tablespoons. Until it pulls away from the edge. It starts pulling away from the bowl.
Okay, after 10 minutes mixing, we take out the dough from the mixing bowl. That looks so good and smells so good too. Very strong smell of flour. Wow.
I'm just gonna shape 2 loaves. So it'll take approximately half. What do you think, about right there?
Yeah.
Does that look better?
Yeah. I think this one looks much better than this one. Somebody gets mad.
No, not bad.
Yeah, it looks much better.
Yeah.
Yes, good.
So we're gonna put them in the oven for about 20 minutes.
To rise?
To rise at about 200 degrees.
Okay. Okay, 200. Put in the oven. Wow, looks much bigger. Huh?
Yes. We turn the temperature up from 200 to 350. We leave the bread in the oven while it's preheating, and we set the timer for 25 minutes.
It's only a few seconds left. Let's see the bread. Wow, actually it looks so good. They look good.
Looks very good. And as a bonus today,
Yeah, someone made me cookie.
yes,
Okay, some butter on top.
so somebody likes the crispy stuff. So here's a little bit of the crust. Try it, see what it's. Good?
Very good. Very good. Since the bread ready, cookies are ready. We already finished some. It's very good cookie, and we're gonna have early supper. Mountain House. Today we eat vegetable stew with beef stew,
Yes. And?
and instant mashed potatoes.
That's right.
Yes. So my English is getting much better.
Very much better.
Okay. You ready?
And so what time is it? It's take 3 of Chinese girl versus the can opener.
Hey! Wow!
First try. That's wow.
Okay.
Is mommy doing better this time?
Much better. Yeah. Sweating. Sweating so bad.
Mommy.
Oh. Oh.
Success.
Yes.
Look at
Just
this kitty cat.
Wow. Looks so good, so colorful. Can't wait to eat that. Okay.
What a great idea. How about today you make the food?
Okay. Okay. So each bowl we add 3 cups of water. 3 cups. A little bit more. It's okay. Like that. Give a little. 3 cups. And this one. Okay, 3 cups. And boil them. Okay. I'm going to make garlic mashed potato. So I put some garlic salt and normal salt. Half teaspoon of normal salt. This much. Teaspoon of garlic salt.
Powder.
Oh, garlic powder. Okay. Stir them. You don't have to feel me. Yeah, I almost forgot the butter. The most important thing. How much? As much as you want.
There, that looks good. It's about 2 tablespoons.
I don't know. Chinese people don't know how to measure.
Yes. Chinese people don't measure.
Yes. So for the Mountain House one, we use 4 cups. 4 cups. That's so slow.
Or you can dump it in.
I can. You don't.
You want me to dump it?
Yes.
Okay, let's switch.
I don't want someone to get mad at me. Please, you do that. He will beat me if I dump on the counter.
Get downstairs, make me some shoes.
Four cups? Yes.
Maybe just
Maybe.
a little more.
Yeah.
Get more MSG.
Yeah. Dump that.
Just mix, turn that off, let it sit for about 10 minutes.
Turn it off. Teacher.
Take it off the heat.
Take off the heat. So for the mashed potatoes, and dump 3. Oh, dump milk first. Sorry, milk first.
How much?
1 liter
1 cup.
or 1 cup. Sorry, Chinese.
So 250 milliliters. And 3 cups.
3 cups of instant mashed potatoes.
Stir just so they're dissolved. Don't over stir.
It's teaching me. Thank you so much. I'm going to get the lid. Okay, leave it for how many? 10 minutes?
Mm-hmm.
Stop. Again, can't wait to taste. It's good.
It's only been a minute.
I think it's a little bit more salt.
More salt?
More salt. It's good. Why so close? It's soft already.
Why so
Not
close?
too hard, really. This tastes really like Chinese instant noodle.
Is it good? It's good. It smells so good.
So good. Mountain House, it's so good.
First,
Yes, honest opinion.
they're potatoes.
Fluffy.
They're potatoes, that's it. They're just freeze-dried potatoes.
It's actually pretty good. It's alright.
It's alright.
I like it.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's okay.
Give a rate.
Out of 10.
6.
Really? Actually, I'm surprised because you're so picky.
Did you try the beef stew?
No. I'm gonna try the bread first.
Okay.
How are you not gonna like the
The
bread?
safe option. Yeah, the bread's okay.
And Riley.
Riley likes bread.
Yeah, it tastes like bread.
You're gonna get
Rate out of 10.
Say about 7 to 8.
Yes.
nice.
Nice. Good. Good enough.
It's more of a heavy bread.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's whole wheat. Like beef stew.
Here, I'll give you a better reaction than Cole.
This is the piece of meat.
It's real meat.
I know it's real meat. It's actually good.
Okay.
You said you like it?
Yeah, like 8 out of 10.
Really? Are you
Wow.
kidding? Wow, that's actually
Serious.
very impressive.
But yeah, it's actually good though.
Yeah, it's very good. Mountain House
Better
is
than the
noodle.
yeah.
I really liked it.
Yeah.
These are garbage. This is good.
You should slap.
So do I.
You just
Well, hard
all of them.
Not good.
Still have 8-3 hours.
那你再拆一下这个 mashed potato，
But that's only useful.
好吃。
好吃啊？Good.
You think this stew is good?
I'm surprised Cole thought it was good.
Good. Good.
It's very good.
Very
Yeah.
The stew is actually
So good.
it's very good.
Very impressive.
Yeah, and even a picky person likes it.
Yes.
Okay, Cole, we should probably move.
Okay. Thanks
he
for
messaged
watching.
I will
Bye
be back.
bye.
I will return with the significant force.
So don't forget
I
to
will
subscribe.
Subscribe for
I will
us.
be back.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
provide.